GoMining has just announced one of its most profitable campaigns ever, the GoMining card. By signing up for this free debit card, you don't just get cashback. You also get access to a bonus miner as well as a permanent 1 TH/s mining machine. But here is the real question. Do these actually make money, or is this just some BS marketing? In this video, I'll break down the real numbers. What can we expect to earn daily? And is the GoMining card even worth using at all? Let's find out. Before we get started, I quickly want to mention that if you do not yet have a GoMining account, you can create one using the first link in the description. By doing so, you massively help out the channel and you also get a pretty nice welcome bonus for yourself. Now let's continue with the video. Let's start at the beginning. We get a crypto miner completely for free. That's awesome, right? Well, before we can make a judgment, we first have to see some actual results. Let's take a look at exactly what this miner is doing. By going to the dashboard, we can check out the exact breakdown of the earnings and costs of each of our miners. For a 1 TH/s miner, the average pool payout is around 97 cents a month. That is the gross amount, so before any of our costs are taken out. From that we have to subtract our maintenance fees, which are around 61 cents. Which means that in total we are left with 36 cents a month, or roughly $4.37 a year. Let's be honest, that is not impressive. And this is exactly where most people either get unrealistic expectations or they completely misinterpret how this works. Because if you actually had to pay for this miner, it would take around 3 years just to break even. But in this situation, the miner is free. So instead of looking at this as an investment, it makes way more sense to look at this as a sort of free trial. A way to get to know the platform without any real money at risk. And honestly, that is the best way to use this miner. Just let it run. Check the daily rewards, check the maintenance costs, or even explore features like token locking, discounts, or even liquidity options if you want to go deeper. Because the GoMining platform sounds simple at first, and it is really easy to get started. But the details are what actually make your farm profitable. Now, once you understand how the platform works, then you can decide, is this something we actually want to scale? Because scaling is where the numbers start to change. $4 a year is basically nothing. 40 bucks a year is still small. 100 bucks becomes noticeable. But 400 bucks and now you're actually looking at something substantial. Of course, scaling usually means that you also have to put in a lot of your own money. But that is where we come to the second part of this video. With the GoMining card, we can grow our mining farm without having to invest any more of our own money. See, with the GoMining card, instead of earning a regular cashback, you earn cashback in the form of mining power. So if you add the GoMining card to your Apple Pay or your Google Pay, every time you pay using your phone, a small amount of money comes back to you. But instead of cash, it is in the form of terahashes. And this changes the dynamic a lot. Because now you're not just relying on buying miners up front. You're slowly increasing your mining power over time without having to do anything. Just by using a different card for expenses that you probably already have. Now, to be clear, this isn't suddenly going to generate huge returns for you. It'll be relatively small, especially in the beginning. But trust me, over time, this will add up. Cashback on the GoMining card goes up to 5%, which means you could grow your mining farm by over $50 a month by simply paying for $1,000 in bills. Here's what that could look like in the long run. One more thing to keep in mind is that the mining profits are not fixed. They depend heavily on the Bitcoin price, mining difficulty, and overall network conditions. So if Bitcoin goes up, the rewards could increase significantly as well. But at the same time, the mining difficulty could also go up, which would reduce the profitability. All I'm trying to say is that it's not as simple as price goes up, profit goes up. That's why I personally use this system as a long-term steady strategy, not something to check back up on every day expecting big gains. So here's the takeaway. The free machine isn't going to make you any significant money, except for if you sell it directly on the market, in which case you'd have $25. But where's the fun in that? In the better scenario, it gives you a risk-free way to try out the GoMining platform, and that's actually where the value is. From there, it's up to you. You can leave the machine running and completely forget about it. Or you can use it as a starting point and slowly start building your mining farm. If you want to try this out for yourself, the link to sign up is in the description of this video. But as always, make sure to do your own research. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.